Emily Mallory of Emily's Papercrafts. Thanks so much for watching today. Today we are going to make a very fast and easy angel Christmas greeting card. Let's get started. So, because I'm using a distress ink today, I'm going to go ahead and ink up the edges of my greeting card first so it has some time to dry while we're making the angel. So I'm just going to take the edge of the paper and just kind of drag it over. The more you drag it, the more ink edges you're going to get. Just make sure distress ink tends to be rather wet, so make sure you don't smear it on your fingers. And let's see. It's kind of sometimes fun just to play with it and see what kind of edges you're going to get. Alright, I'm thrilled with it, so I'm going to let it sit there for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp the greeting while I have the blue ink out. Make sure I got it all covered. Do. I'm just doing a Bible verse because we're going with an angel today. Perfect. Set those aside, and we'll carefully slide that over because I don't want to get ink all over my fingers, which will then transfer to white paper. Okay, so moving on to our angel. I've got two pieces of white paper here that are 8 inches long, but you can use any length of paper. That's one thing that I really like about this angel pattern that I've created. Just whatever length you've got, just have it, and then that'll work for your wings. So I'm going to take the longer one here, which is still my 8 inches, and I'm going to roll it to the end, gently pull it off, let it expand. And this one, you can let it get as big as you want or as little as you want. It's actually the length of paper that is going to change the final size of the angel. So we're going to create a triangle today. So there's one. And then the other part at the bottom. Sometimes it's kind of fun to just do these so they're a little bit off to the side, so it kind of looks like the angel is reaching up and out with its wings. So there's the body. And we're going to do the exact same thing with our two shorter pieces. So this is half as long as the body, so 4 inches. Again, you could use a 12-inch piece of white and then 2 6 inches for the wings. Up to you. One. These are just very smaller little triangles. And again, don't worry about your triangles being perfect or even, because I actually find the angel takes on some really cool characteristics and personality if it's not perfect triangles. So this is the second wing. And they don't have to be the same size. One could be bigger than the other. It just adds some uniqueness. I'm putting some glue here on that short side. I do tend to put my wings, if they have a little bit more of an up curve to them, so that way the curve goes up rather than down, but not all angel wings have that extra little upness curve to it. And then I've got approximately 3.5 inches of a yellowish color, or a yellow gold, which will just roll into your choice, either a tight circle or a loose circle. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of a loose circle just so it's got a little bit, just a little bit bigger. And we're using this for the head and sort of halo combo. Smooth down that tail so it won't keep bouncing up. Carefully pick up the angel. We'll put a little bit of glue here kind of in that center area. And then put the angel head / halo right there. Okay, time to start assembling our card, just so I give the angel and my blue ink a little bit of extra time. I'm going to layer up the bottom layer first. This is a 3 by 4 1/4 inch rectangle. Base color, and then this is just a 1/2 inch shorter on each side, so 2 by 3 3/4. Just in case my ink is a little bit wet still, it doesn't seem like it, but I won't push it down too much yet. And then we'll just put a layer of glue here on the back side of the angel. Whenever I have a loose coil, I try to catch that so it doesn't spring up. A little bit of glue in all of the 3-4 areas there, and glue it to the front of your card. So the longer your pieces of paper, the bigger your angel is going to be. So if I use 12 inches and 6 inches for the wings, it would be a little bit bigger than that, as this was 8 and 4. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.